Long arms are great for dunking and deadlifts, but not so much for bench press. What's up, my name is Dr. Alex Strahle. If you're looking to get stronger and stay pain-free, make sure to subscribe to this channel. In this video, we're gonna be looking at two things to improve your leverages and how to make your shoulder more stable. So if you are a long arm bench presser, you can have success being a long arm bench presser. The first thing we're gonna look at for you is gonna be your grip. In powerlifting, you have to have at least the ring covered on the bar. So quite often, you'll see people have their index finger on the ring, and that's about the maximum width you can have of the bar. However, you can't even do something like a Japanese style grip where your hand's actually wider than your ring and you immediately rotate your wrist so your index finger still covers the bar. Now, if you're someone who doesn't generally have the widest grip, slowly work your way out, because if you don't, your shoulders are not going to thank you. So widening your grip will help bring the bar closer to you. Let's also work on bringing your body closer to the bar, and that's by having a bigger arch. In order to get a bigger arch, we need to have more thoracic extension. So one thing I really like to do is get a foam roller and extend over it. I'll go segment by segment over the foam roller on my thoracic spine, trying to extend. This helps you really narrow in what part of your spine is the most stiff, so you can really focus on what you need to work on. Another exercise I like to do is thread the needle, and this helps with thoracic rotation. And we know that rotation and extension are a couple of movements, so if you work on one, you're going to work on the other. For this one, you're on hands and knees and one arm's on the ground. You're going to use your other arm to slide it through and get a nice stretch through your back. Doing these two drills every day can have ginormous results on how big your arch can actually be. And if you want to see more ideas on how to get a better arch or leg drive, check out the video down in the description. Now we're bringing the bar closer to us with our grip. We're bringing ourselves closer to the bar with the arch. We've just about maxed out everything we can. So now let's look at shoulder stability, because this is pivotal for a long arm lifter. If you have longer arms, that's more torque produced on the shoulder, which is going to require more stability in order to control it better. Short arm lifters also need shoulder stability. I'm not saying they don't. However, it's very important that a long arm lifter has great shoulder stability. So let's head over to the cables. First exercise here is a dynamic external rotation. So what you're going to do is find a cable or TheraBand, and I want you to get into this front rack position. So this already is activating your external rotators and a good start. The second one we're going to look at is externally rotating your arm and then pressing it overhead. I really like this one because it really targets your rotator cuff, and it also incorporates a little bit of shoulder flexion, which is what happens when you're benching. So this one here has fantastic carryover into your bench. If you want to see some different shoulder stability exercises, I have another video down in the link, and check that one out. Now that we fixed our grip, we fixed our arch, and our shoulders are stable, we can mitigate the effects of having long arms on the bench. If you're not sure if you do have relatively long arms, check out this video here on screen. I'll catch you on the next one.